Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 16 problem of this month. Problem number 3254. Find the power of k size subarrays 1. So in this problem you are given an array of integers nums of length n and a positive integer k. Okay, so this is nums array given to us and a positive integer k. The power of an array is defined as its maximum element if all of its elements are consecutive and sorted in ascending order. Okay, so after 1 2 should come, after 2 3 should come, after 3 4 should come. Okay, like this. So all the elements are consecutive and sorted in ascending order, right? And if this is not the case, then we have to return -1. Okay, so you need to find the power of all subarrays of nums of size k. Return an integer array results of size n minus k plus 1, where results of I is the power of nums of I to I plus k minus 1. Okay, so now here let's understand this with an example here. So this is my nums array and k values to 3. Okay, so 3 3 set. So here if I give the indexing like this 0 1 2 then 3 then 4 then 5 and then we have 6. Okay, so 3 3 set. So let's say first set is this one. Okay, then the next set is this one, then the next set is going to be this one, and the next set is going to be this one, and the next set is going to be this one. Okay, here this ends, here this ends, here this ends. Okay, this is okay, so 3 3 set we are taking, right? So here this value, okay, this value, okay, so here this value is 4. Okay, so here what are the total number of elements in my nums array? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so my n is 7. Okay, and my k is 3. Okay, and if I do n minus k plus 1, so what is the result that I'm going to get here? 7 minus 3 plus 1 is going to be 7 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so this is the result that I am getting here, n minus k plus 1. Okay, so here this 5 is nothing but it's going to be the size of my results array, right? So here see 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the size of my results array. Okay, so here if I give the indexing, so simply means that from here it will end, right? So I have to run a loop for less than n minus k plus 1. Okay, until here. Okay, this is going to be the last set, okay, which I need to check. So starting from this 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6 index if k is 3. Okay, so here we have to return an integer array results of size this, and we know how we are getting this, right? So this size, and where results of I is the power of this one. Okay, so this is going to be my first, this is going to be second one, this is going to be third one, and this is going to be fourth one, and this is going to be fifth one. Okay, so now here in the first array 1 2 3 all elements are consecutive and increasing order. So what is the max among them? Max is 3, so that is why I'm writing 3 here. In the next set 2 3 4 all the elements are consecutive and in increasing order, so we are just giving the answer as last element 4. So 4 is the maximum, right? Obviously 4 is going to be maximum. Okay, if all the elements are consecutive and increasing order. Then in the next set, which is nothing but 3 4 3, no, here after 4 it is decreasing, so -1 we are returning. Then in the next set, which is 4 3 2, all elements are decreasing, so simply return -1. 3 to 5, no, it doesn't make any sense, so return -1. Okay, so this is what we are doing here. First set with the maximum element 3 with the maximum element 4, whose elements are not consecutive. Okay, elements are not consecutive, elements are not sorted, elements are not consecutive. Okay, so here after 2 we need 3. Okay, but this is not the case, okay, anywhere, so that is why we are returning minus minus. Okay, two times. Okay, so total number of elements 5, minus k plus 1 is going to be give me 2, and this 2 is nothing but the size of my results array. And why 2 here? So 4 set we are taking, so one set is going to be this one and one set is this going to be this one. Okay, 0 1. So I have to run until here only, and minus k plus 1. Okay, that's what. Okay, so in same way, this is my example number 3. So here 2 to set 3 2 minus 1 2 3, yes, so 3 I'm returning. Then 3 2, here decreasing minus 1 2 3. Okay, so here return 3 3 2 decreasing minus 1. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the explanation. Now let's write the code. So here we can easily solve this problem using brute force. Okay, so here first thing that you need to do here is to calculate the length of my nums array. Okay, so here int n is equal to nums dot length, and then we have to take one result array, and we know the size of this result array, it is the nothing but n minus k plus 1. Okay, new int n minus k plus 1, right? And then after that, run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, you can write here n minus k plus 1. Okay, this is what we know already, right? And I plus plus. Okay, outer loop. So here inside this, first take my max as the current element. Okay, nums of I. And here I if there is just one element, okay, so in that case, let's set this boolean is consecutive. Okay, this to true. Okay, so if there is just one element, that's why it's turning true. Okay, here I'm taking it as true initially. Then inside this I have to run one j loop. Int j, it is going to start from my current I, and it is going to run until my j value is less than I plus k minus 1. Okay, why minus 1 I'm doing? So because inside this I'm going to run one condition, if condition, in which I will take the j plus 1 directly. Okay, so here I will just say if nums of j plus 1, okay, if this element j plus 1 is not equal to my previous element, okay, nums of j, and in this if I add 1. Okay, so if this is not the case, okay, if this is the case, okay, if it is not equal, then my is consecutive is going to be set to false. Okay, and we have to simply break in that case. Okay, and how I'm going to update my max, I'm always going to take my max as nums of j plus 1. Okay, what is the last element? Okay, last element. Okay, that's it. So here, once this is done, then inside this I have to update my result as well. Okay, so here, one second, here my this loop ends. So here I'm just going to update the result of current element, result of I. Okay, result of I is going to be, if it is consecutive, okay, is consecutive, so simply return the last element that we have stored in the max. Okay, so is consecutive, return max, otherwise just return minus 1. That's it. Okay, and here in the end just return result, the result array. Okay, now let me just format it, and let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.